Practice makes perfect. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Practice makes perfect. It is a timeless proverb that has been instilled in our minds since childhood. But what does it truly mean, and how can we apply it to our lives to achieve success and overcome the hurdles that come our way? Firstly, this proverb emphasizes the importance of consistent effort and hard work. It signifies that through continuous practice and dedication, we can improve our skills and abilities in any given area. Whether it is learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or honing a particular sport, the key lies in repetition and perseverance. Practice not only helps us refine our talents, but also builds our resilience. It instills discipline, patience, and the willingness to endure challenges. We learn from our mistakes, finding new strategies and approaches that lead us closer to our desired goals. With each setback, we gain valuable experience and a better understanding of what needs improvement. Furthermore, practice not only ensures growth and progress, but also boosts our confidence. As we witness our abilities evolve through consistent effort, we begin to believe in ourselves more. The more we practice, the more proficient we become, leading to a greater sense of self-assurance. This newfound confidence spills over into other aspects of our lives, empowering us to take on new challenges with determination and courage. Ultimately, practicing with purpose and dedication is the key to success. It is through the repeated actions, the hours of deliberate practice, that we become masters of our craft. Luck may play its part, but it is our continuous effort and commitment to practice that truly sets us apart. So how can we apply the concept of practice makes perfect in our lives? It starts with setting clear goals and creating a structured practice routine. Identify what it is that you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Devote regular time to practice, staying consistent and disciplined. Next, seek guidance and feedback from experts or mentors in your chosen field. They can provide valuable insights, correct your mistakes, and offer guidance to help you improve. Consider joining a community or group of like-minded individuals who share your passion and can provide support and motivation along the way. Additionally, embrace the concept of deliberate practice. This means focusing on specific areas where improvement is needed, pushing beyond your comfort zone, and constantly challenging yourself. It is through deliberate practice, characterized by focused attention and conscious effort, that you can truly enhance your skills and abilities. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.